Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest in business strategies, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Today, we're diving into something every entrepreneur and business leader needs to understand: business models, specifically how they're developed, implemented, and innovated. Stick around to learn how companies like Apple, Spotify, and even Skylanders have used innovative business models to achieve massive success. So, what exactly is a business model? At its core, a business model is the underlying logic of how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. It answers the fundamental question, how does this business make money? Construction would be chaotic, lacking the structure and organization that detailed plans provide. Similarly, in the world of business, a business model serves as the blueprint for success. It outlines how a company creates, delivers, and captures value, providing a roadmap for operations and growth. A well-defined business model is essential for any entrepreneur or business leader looking to build a sustainable and profitable enterprise. At its core, a business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. It's a story that explains how a company makes money. This story is told through the interplay of different components that work together seamlessly. Understanding these components is crucial for entrepreneurs and business leaders to navigate the competitive landscape and achieve sustainable success. A successful business model is not static, it evolves with changing market dynamics. Just as a blueprint needs revisions based on site conditions, a business model must adapt to new technologies, customer preferences, and competitive pressures. This dynamic nature of business models highlights the importance of innovation and adaptability for long-term success. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the core components of a business model, explore real-world examples of successful business model innovation, and provide practical tools and strategies for entrepreneurs and business leaders to develop and refine their own winning business models. The building blocks: value proposition, value architecture, and revenue model. To understand how a business model works, we need to break it down into its core components. Think of these components as the building blocks of your business's success. The first block is the value proposition. This is the heart of your business model, describing the unique value you offer to customers and how it solves their problems or fulfills their needs better than competitors. It's what makes your product or service desirable and sets you apart in the marketplace. The second building block is the value architecture, which outlines how you deliver that value to your customers. This encompasses all the resources, activities, and partnerships you need to create your product or service, reach your target market, and maintain customer relationships. It's about building a system that efficiently and effectively delivers on your value proposition. Finally, the revenue model defines how you generate income from your value proposition. It outlines your pricing strategy, revenue streams, and how you capture value from the market. A well-designed revenue model ensures that your business is financially sustainable and can continue to create and deliver value over the long term. These three components, value proposition, value architecture, and revenue model, are interconnected and interdependent. They must work in harmony to create a successful and sustainable business. A compelling value proposition will attract customers, but without a robust value architecture to deliver that value and a viable revenue model to monetize it, the business will struggle. Adapting to thrive. Why business model? Innovation matters. In today's rapidly changing business landscape characterized by technological advancements, globalization, and evolving customer expectations, clinging to outdated business models is a recipe for failure. Just as living organisms must adapt to survive, businesses must embrace innovation to thrive. Business model innovation is no longer optional, it's an imperative for long-term success. Markets are dynamic, constantly shifting with the emergence of new technologies, changing consumer behaviors, and evolving competitive landscapes. What worked yesterday might not work today, and what works today might be obsolete tomorrow. Business model innovation allows companies to anticipate and adapt to these changes, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive. Technology is a disruptive force, reshaping industries and upending traditional business models. The rise of the internet, mobile devices, and digital platforms has created new possibilities for value creation, delivery, and capture. Companies that fail to embrace these technological advancements risk being left behind. Moreover, customer expectations are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Customers today are more informed, empowered, and demanding than ever before. They expect personalized experiences, seamless interactions, and instant gratification. Business model innovation allows companies to meet these evolving expectations and build stronger customer relationships. In conclusion, business model innovation is not just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about survival in the long run. Companies that embrace innovation, constantly challenge their assumptions, and adapt to the changing business environment will be the ones that thrive in the years to come. To illustrate the power of business model innovation, let's examine two companies that have disrupted their respective industries: Apple and Spotify. In the late 1990s, Apple, once known primarily for its computers, was struggling to compete in a crowded market. Their turnaround began with a shift in their business model, moving away from simply selling hardware to creating an ecosystem of products and services. Apple's innovative business model is centered around its tightly integrated ecosystem. The iPod, iPhone, and App Store are not standalone products but rather components of a larger, interconnected system. This ecosystem creates a seamless user experience, fosters customer loyalty, and generates multiple revenue streams for Apple. Similarly, Spotify revolutionized the music industry by challenging the traditional model of album sales. Their freemium business model, offering a free ad-supported tier alongside a premium subscription option, disrupted the way music is consumed and monetized. This model effectively addressed the challenge of piracy while providing value to both free and paying customers. Spotify's freemium model allows users to access a vast library of music for free, enticing them to become paying subscribers for an enhanced experience. This model has been highly successful, propelling Spotify to become one of the world's leading music streaming platforms. These examples demonstrate that business model innovation is not just about incremental improvements, but rather about fundamentally rethinking how value is created, delivered, and captured. By embracing innovation, companies can disrupt industries, create new markets, and achieve sustainable growth. While innovation is crucial, certain fundamental elements underpin every successful business model. These elements provide a framework for understanding how a business creates, delivers, and captures value. We can categorize these elements into 5 dimensions: customer, benefit, value, partner, and financial. The customer dimension focuses on identifying and understanding your target customers. This involves segmenting your market, understanding their needs and wants, and tailoring your value proposition to meet those needs. A deep understanding of your customer is paramount to building a successful business. The benefit dimension delves into the specific benefits your product or service provides to your target customers. It's about clearly articulating how your offering solves their problems, fulfills their needs, and improves their lives. A compelling value proposition clearly communicates these benefits to the customer. The value dimension focuses on the activities and resources required to create and deliver your product or service. This involves analyzing your value chain, optimizing your operations, and leveraging your core competencies to create a sustainable competitive advantage. A robust value architecture ensures that you can deliver on your promises. The partner dimension recognizes the importance of collaboration in today's interconnected business world. It involves identifying and partnering with key stakeholders, suppliers, distributors, and other businesses to enhance your value proposition and expand your reach. Strategic partnerships can be a powerful driver of growth. Finally, the financial dimension examines the economic viability of your business model. It involves analyzing your cost structure, pricing strategy, and revenue streams to ensure that your business is profitable and financially sustainable. A sound financial model is essential for long-term success. Developing a successful business model can seem daunting, but the business model canvas simplifies the process. This visual template helps map out, design, and analyze business models, providing a shared language for understanding complex concepts. The canvas is divided into 9 building blocks: customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key activities, key resources, key partnerships, and cost structure. These blocks cover crucial aspects of a business model, from defining customer groups to outlining key activities and resources. By using sticky notes or digital tools, teams can visualize their business model, identify weaknesses, and explore new opportunities. The canvas encourages collaboration and innovation. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, standing still is not an option. To stay ahead, companies must embrace innovation, constantly seeking ways to improve and deliver exceptional value. This requires a culture of experimentation and a commitment to continuous improvement. Encourage your team to think outside the box and test different approaches. Not every experiment will succeed, but each provides valuable learning opportunities. Regularly review your business model and stay abreast of emerging trends. Be willing to pivot your strategy to create, deliver, or capture value. Embrace continuous innovation to ensure long-term success.